tote bag. There's this beautiful, I think it's 26 years old, craft shop, and they sell so many beautiful things. I don't know if you're allowed to record there, but I might go a trip and I will go and show you. And they have sales, and they have your normal fabric, but you can feel it, you can touch it. And even though nowadays there's not many places like that, in London there is like 3 or 4 places that I could go, and I really do want to go and see what I can get, but it's a different vibe. It's like you walk into that store and it's like you're back in 1998. You know, it's amazing, and it's like retro vintage. This one was £11.20, and for 2 meters, again, I'm getting into that 2 meter vibes. You go there, you buy 2 meters, because if not, you might be short, and there's nothing worse than to be short. Now, this could be a beautiful skirt for someone when they're going on, you know, Mallorca, Spain, Portugal. That's my vibe during summer. You know, it could be just flattering, you know. This could be a nice t-shirt as well. It's just quality. This will cost you £15 online, and in that shop it's beautiful, and I recommend everyone that, you know, live in London to support your community. Girl, look at this girl. This fabric is absolutely beautiful. Now, it's not the more masculine, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's just, I don't know, this thing, when you go to a shop, and this is the worst thing, this bag alone cost me like £27. This is more expensive, don't get me wrong. There is cheap things, there is more expensive things. Take in mind how thick it is. It's thicker than any of them except from the striped one, but it's just beautiful, and just look at it. Like, it's just, you can do a dress, you can do a t-shirt, because so far that's what the only thing I can do or barely try to do. But I'm not going to use this yet because...
So what I meant there was that this fabric is so beautiful. I want to learn a bit more how to sew, so then when I use it, I can use it in a project that is going to look good, and I'm going to be able and skill to complete it nicely rather than just ruin it. So that's why there's different varieties of prices that I bought fabrics at. So then I'm going to use the low budget ones to learn, and the higher budgets just to actually create something that I'm going to use and like.
It's neat, it's thin, it's ugly, but I think I bought it for £1.99 per meter. So it was the last bit that they had. It was 1.8 meters, and they didn't even have 2 meters. I thought, why not to use this to practice? Now, girl, let me tell you something with this one. There's a story behind this one, okay? I always wanted to do a matching t-shirt with this sort of vibe that was going around summer 2019. Now, we're in 2020, okay, honey? But I really, really wanted to do it because I wanted to create something that was mine. I wanted to, you know, I had a vision. I just didn't know how to execute my vision. So now that I know my vision, I will work towards my vision because I can still make it, but I will see. So I want to do like this top and shorts kind of style, kind of vibe, and that was going through summer, you know, and I really was living for it. I did a t-shirt, and it was the best t-shirt till today that I have made. It ain't cute, but it looks like a t-shirt. It works like a t-shirt. It ain't perfect, but I am going to do my best to do it better. And yeah, I feel so grateful that there was enough. Actually, it went down in price. I bought 2 meters. Should I bought more if I'm planning? I should potentially buy another 2 meters just because it's cute. It's cute, girl. But I want to make it perfect, and I don't want to mess it up. And if I mess it up, I'm gonna end up in square one basically again, and I don't want to. And you know, I'm gonna leave it, and it's gonna be a project that I really want to do for summer 2020. Do you know when there's the sale and you buy it after the sale in winter so you can re-wear it in 2020 summer? I got myself this, you know. I know, we've been on the same boat. But honestly, it's beautiful, it is gorgeous. Right, it ain't gorgeous. Okay, the fabric is cute, but it's quite thin, which that's what I'm saying. It's giving you that vibe, it's giving you that summer vibe. It's like, goodbye, let's go to Spain, Portugal. It's warm in the UK, but ain't that much, okay, girl? So, let me open it. So, it is beautiful, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if you can tell, it's just so soft. My only problem is that you do get to see sort of like nipple, like, you know, like on the white ain't strong enough, but I am living for it. And the fact that I made a t-shirt that I wear as my pajamas because I can't wear it outside, I'm gonna actually post a video over there or over there, like wherever. It's quite cute, and you know, I love how they fold it, like, you know, like, hey, how are you, Jeffrey? But look, do you see my problem? Like, oh, I'm doing it the wrong way. Okay. You see that? You see? Okay. You see that? Oh, here. It's not that bad, but you can see more color, and you shouldn't. So, if you know, there's thinner things out there. I just wish it was a bit more thick.